Hi guys, it's Ben from Currys, and today I've got my hands on the Samsung Galaxy S24. By now, I'm guessing you've heard the term AI. Well, the new Galaxy S24 series phones bring that power to the palm of your hand in a very real way with assistive AI. It's got features like Live Translate to help you make a phone call in another language. So if someone in the crew could call me, you'll hear this phone live translate into German. So I'm just gonna hit Call Assist, Live Translate. Hello.
Hello Ben, how are you today?
Hallo, Ben. Wie geht es Ihnen heute?
I'm good, thanks. There's also Chat Assist for the perfect tone of voice in any message. Here I've constructed one, and then click on the little AI icon and hit Writing Style, and it's going to give me a whole bunch of options for the tone of voice, ranging all the way from professional to social. And Note Assist, which summarizes text into easily digestible notes. So here I'm in my Notes app, and as you can see, I've got quite a bit of information here. I'm just going to hit the AI icon and then hit Summarize. It's going to take all of that information and turn them into condensed bullet points for me. Circle to search with Google takes the stress out of searching. You can circle anything on your screen to search it, whether it's a friend's holiday snap, a snazzy jumper on Instagram, or even a plant you don't know the name of, like this one here. All I need to do is press and hold this button here, circle what I want, and it gives me all of the results for the image. I'm gonna step out of set for a second because I wanna show you what this camera can do. The S24's impressive camera has a triple lens camera system boosted by AI, which means that your pictures will appear crisper and brighter than ever, especially with its improved nightography mode. This is impressive. So I'm just gonna pop this into nightography mode. And if we could get the lights down a second. As you can see, it is pitch black in there. We'll snap a quick picture and look at what this can do. The level of detail in that. And in fact, the green that you're seeing is actually from the fire exit signs that we have in the room. So you can see how much it's making use of the light that's around. With Photo Assist, you can become an editing genius by moving and removing objects, generating new backgrounds, and expanding the size of the image. All I'm gonna do is go into the edit page, hit the AI icon, and I'm gonna press and hold this flower, and it's gonna auto-select it. But maybe I want it a little bit smaller. I'm gonna hit generate, and it's gonna fill in the gaps for me. It will even suggest edits like removing shadows and reflections to give you the perfect image. This S24 is powered by the game-changing Exynos 2400 processor, making it super responsive, so your gaming performance will reach new heights. Plus, with the super bright 6.2-inch dynamic AMOLED display, FHD plus resolution, and optimized battery, you can scroll and stream for even longer. Our experts love this phone and have rated it one of the most premium phones this year. If you would like any more info, you can visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.